Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to make Spotify playlist public. So for that, what you need to do is tap upon the Spotify application. Now once you open the Spotify, you need to tap on your library, tap that. In the Your Library section, you tap upon the playlist that you want to make it public. Tap upon that. So once you're at this page, all you have to do is tap on the dotted line just below your profile name. Tap that. This will give you all these options and you need to scroll down a bit and then tap on Make Public. Tap that. Your playlist is now public. So this is a way how you can make your playlist in Spotify public. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.